Hey guys, we're back today with 3 quick questions. We got Chris on the show. Chris, can you let the people know what you do?
Well, I'm a knife maker. I'm a stock removal knife maker, so I don't forge. I grind. I do primarily stainless steels, but I can use any steel under the sun. I really pride myself on my heat treats and the fact we do so much in-house. We stabilize our own woods. We do our own leather work. We make our own kydex. We do all the heat treating, grinding. By we, I mean I do this stuff, and then my poor wife is, victimized by me just throwing projects on her.
Alrighty, and how long have you been doing it for the people that are curious?
2026 marks my 20th year.
Oh, wow. Congrats.
I started in March of 2006 making knives.
That's awesome. And out of everything here, which one's like one of your favorites? Like, let the people know, show them.
So, it's not my best seller, but definitely my favorites are my kitchen knives.
Okay.
I do a lot of kitchen knives. I do a lot of kitchen knives for professional chefs. I try and make them very, very thin and very, very light. So they're probably the most interesting for me to make, and it's just because I make so many hunting knives. For me, I like making knives that become sentimental for people. And these are the kind of knives that people are going to hand down. They're going to carve their turkeys with on Thanksgiving. Like, it becomes a part of family. And so for me, like, my best reviews are people sending pictures of the dinners they've made, the times they've gone hunting with their kids. Like, I kind of joke, I live vicariously through my knives. I might not remember a person, but I'll have people come and they're like, man, I got this. And I'm like, I made that in 202019.
Wow,
I love doing that.
awesome.
So I remember the knife, and that's the connection.
Real
So
emotional connection when they buy from you.
absolutely. Like, yeah, it's a part of me. So.
That's awesome. And just a quick bonus question, where can they find you on social media if they want to get anything?
Pretty simple, BORDERTOWN Blades. I'm on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube. I think we got a couple videos. So we try and do a little bit of everything out there. We're just terrible at posting because I'm in the garage making things, and I'm, you'll see a lot of pictures that involve like the bottom of my feet because I'm not a photographer. So, if you want the genuine deal, I'm it. I try.
Cool, man. Hey, thanks for being on the show, man.
Thank you so much.
Yep.
I'm glad you guys stopped by and talked to me.
Yep, thank you. Yeah, guys, definitely check out his table. All right. I showed it in yesterday's video, but
Everything comes with a sheath. Usually it's like G10 and micarta will come in kydex, wood will come in leather. There's a